All right, so in 2023, you can actually make money with your smartphone, and I'll be teaching you 5 ways that you can do this. What you want to do for me is actually to like this video, make sure you subscribe, and also make sure you share, because I'll be sharing something juicy with you. All right, guys, let's get into the video already. Now, my number one take is for you to actually start your own YouTube channel. Just the way you are watching me right now, you can actually get people to watch you. So if you know a particular skill, if you have a particular skill that people would be interested in learning, then you want to start your own YouTube channel teaching that particular skill. So let's say, for instance, you have a business and you are in the fashion niche. You can actually create a YouTube channel that teaches people how to make different graphics, different designs in fashion, how to make skirts, printed skirts, how to do shirts, how to do, trousers, how to do whatever it is that you know how to make. You can start teaching that in your fashion business. People will very well want to learn different styles from you. Also, if you are a graphic designer, you can start creating different graphics on YouTube, and people will very well want to watch you. Now, YouTube pay a lot of money when you get viewers that will be viewing your videos on a daily basis. That is one way that you can actually get started using your smartphone to make money in 2023. All right, guys, another way you can do this, making money in 2023 right here in Nigeria, in any part of the world, is for you to become a UGC creator. A UGC creator. Yes, that name was something else. All right, so what do I mean by a UGC creator? That is user generated content. All right, so if you are able to create a user generated content for businesses, they would very well pay you. Now, how does this go? This means that whatever product that you have used, you want to do like a review, you want to do like a testimonial about that product, telling people to go and purchase that product. Now, when you create such videos, you want to send it to the company that this is what you have done for them, and they will pay you money. When people start reaching out to them using your own link to actually buy that particular product. Now, this video is something that you can do with your smartphone. Just with your smartphone, you can start to create reviews for different products. So I'm going to use this product for instance. So if I bought this product and I find it very valuable, if this product actually did what exactly they said it's going to do, what I want to do is to actually create a video like this that you're watching me right now, create a video and tell you that this product is the go-to. So when you go to this company to buy this product using my link, the company will very well pay me money. Now that is what a UGC content is about. So you can sign up with a company and they will pay you money for actually advertising or reviewing this product. That's what a VGC is about, and that is something that you can do just with your smartphone. All right, so if you have a smartphone, you want to start thinking of any of these that I have shared with you. I want to believe that you're getting value from this already. So like this video, and also make sure you subscribe to this channel. All right, so what else can you do, to actually make money on or with your smartphone? You want to write an ebook. Yes, guys. Now, if you have something that people would be interested in, if you know something that people would be interested in, you want to write a book on it. Writing an ebook, writing a paper book can actually make you money just with your smartphone. With your smartphone, you can actually write a book that can be published on Amazon KDP, and you will start earning in dollars. There are low content books that you can create, and also there are, content books that you can create, publish on Amazon, and people will very well pay you. Imagine that I make skirts, for instance. I can decide to write a book on how to make printed skirts, or I can decide to write a book on how to sew trousers. A lot of people don't know how to make trousers, right, for females. So if I write a book on that, people will very well want to buy such a book. Or maybe I know how to, make liquid soap. I know how to make other type of soap, detergent, custard, Milo, all of that. I can actually write a book on it and actually sell that book for 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, whatever price I am comfortable with, and people will very well pay me money. Now, with your smartphone, you can actually get started. I actually have a course. I will leave the link in the description of this video so that you can get that course and learn how you can actually get started with writing your own book with a smartphone. So you want to look at that, okay? Even if you don't know what to write, the course would show you actually how to write a book without actually writing anything. Yes, you will learn that if you get that course. So that is my number 3 way. Another way you can actually make money with your smartphone is for you to create online courses. Online courses, yes. So you have a particular skill, you can create courses and start teaching people about that. Now, what is online courses? Online courses are a series of videos that you can put together, bundle together, and give to people to pay you money in return. Now, let's say I know how to make liquid soap, I know how to make custard, I know how to make Milo, I know how to make milk. I want to do a video making all of these things, and I will bundle it together and price it at a particular price, and immediately I will start marketing that, as a course. Once people buy that, they are getting all of those videos together that I have bundled, and they will very well pay you money. That is how you can create online courses. All right, so these videos are something that you can actually create using your phone. Yes, guys, with your smartphone, you can create online courses, and you can start marketing that courses and get people that would be interested in buying that course. So guys, my number 5 way for you to actually make money with your smartphone is for you to become a graphics designer. Alright, so a graphic designer, you can actually use your smartphone to start making or creating graphics for business owners, for organizations, and they will very well pay you money. Now, with Canva, which I have created a video on how you can do that, or you can actually take my course on Canva Money to learn how you can actually, with your phone, start creating graphics that is top-notch, and people will very well pay you money for that graphics that you have created. So with your smartphone, you can actually create graphics and people will very well pay you money. Another thing you can do is become a content creator. Yes, guys, with your smartphone, you can become a content creator. You can create videos, you can write books, you can become graphics designers, you can become social media assistant, you can be virtual assistant. With your smartphones, you can be transcribers, you can be everything you want to be, all with your smartphones. So these are very, things that you can actually do using your smartphone. So with all of this, you can actually make money with your smartphone in 2023. So if you have found value in this video, I want you to subscribe to this channel and make sure you like this video, and also make sure you share so that a lot of people can actually get to see this video and learn exactly what I have shared. This is something you can do for me for free, guys. After all, you have not paid anything to learn what I have shared with you. Alright guys, thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe and I will see you again on another video. I'm going to leave this video here where I shared how you can make money using Canva. So go right now and watch this video. I will see you again on another video. Until then, ciao.